Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas. I'm still experiencing a breakout. However, back at it again with yet another video. In today's video, we are going to take a break from the ever so lovely beauty drama that's going on in this community yet again. Thank you, Jacqueline, so much for your amazing lipsticks. You have done it yet again. We're going to take a break from that and we're going to just chill and play with some makeup today. That's all I want to do. When I get really stressed out and overwhelmed by the world and life and just sometimes even this community, I just want to sit down, and my hair looks like that. I just want to sit down, play with some new makeup. I have some Huda Beauty as per usual. It's not our first impressions without Huda Beauty. I have the new Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. We have some new products going on here. We have a foundation I can't even talk about yet, but I'm going to hold it up on the screen and blur it out so all of you are jealous. Look at me, I'm holding something that's not even out yet. It's exclusive. You don't even know what it is. Some Makeup Forever. I have so many new products I want to try out today. I'm kind of late to a lot of this stuff. I have some Fenty. Today's video is also in partnership with BoxyCharm, so I'm going to be trying some products in this month's BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a $21 a month subscription service, and you get a bunch of full-size products. I think it's anywhere from 4 to 5 products of full-size products. In this box, I have 5 full-size products, usually at about a $200 value, maybe even $250 value. And you get to only pay 10% of that for full-size products, which I think is really cool. Some products that I can't use in today's video is the cleanser, the Skin & Co. Roma Whipped Cleansing Cream that came in this month's in my month's box. I tried this morning and it is very, very nice. If you guys are interested in checking out BoxyCharm, I'll have a link down below in the description box where you can go and try them out. Please check out BoxyCharm, even if you get it for 1 month or whatever. It helps me out. I'd appreciate it a lot. Thank you again, BoxyCharm, for sponsoring today's video, and let's get right into this video, this full face of first impression. Okay, honestly, I just want to do my eyes first just because I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards eyeshadow palette. I just want to do my eyes first because I've noticed recently I've had like this self-realization when I do my base makeup first, I just always half-ass my eyeshadow for some reason because I'm just like, oh, I'm fucking over this. Like, I've already spent an hour doing my face makeup. Why would I want to spend another hour on my eyeshadow? So I just kind of do it willy-nilly. So I thought to counteract that kind of laziness that my heart so desperately holds on to, I would do my eyeshadow first. Okay, so I am going to be using my Alyssa Edwards palette, but first I'm going to show you guys the palette that I received in my BoxyCharm. I received the Tarte Cosmetics High Performance Naturals BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. Very simple natural eyeshadow palette from Tarte. I will use some of the shades as highlight later. But this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. As you can see, it is completely out of the norm from what I would see from Anastasia Beverly Hills. But if anyone's gonna do it for Anastasia, it's gonna be a drag queen, and I love Alyssa. She is so funny to me. So I'm first gonna go into this Tarte palette and kind of set the brow bone. I like Tarte eyeshadows. I never have an issue with Tarte eyeshadows. You know, honestly, I might use this bone shade as like a transition, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go into Dream It right off the bat. Just Dream It, full on. Balls to the wall. Oh god, I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared, guys. I'm kind of scared. Okay. Please don't be bad. Honestly, it's not that bad. Like, once you build it up, it's like really good. You just have to build it up. I am noticing though that I have to continuously build up the color because it does like to skip very easily. But other than that, it's really nice. Like, I mean, come on. What blue eyeshadow do you know that can do that? Not many. So I'm not mad. Kind of like the stark white shade in this Tarte palette and put it on the brow bone. That's insane. That's really pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna pack Brick Road on the lid. Wish me luck. Okay, so you see it getting like darker on the rims. That's just because the base is wet, and that typically always happens with yellow shadows. There's a ton of fallout on this shade though. like a ton. Apply this yellow with your fingers because it applies a lot better. I find that this shadow works so much better with your finger. It did take me about 30 minutes to like kind of do this, and I just think it's just because they require just a smidgen more elbow grease. And I'm not a big fan of having to overwork yourself on eyeshadow. I just feel like my eyeshadow should be like one and done and ready out the door. Okay, so I'm back and I tried a completely different technique on this eye. I tried patting out the P. Louise eye base before I applied the yellow, and it applied a lot less cakier, a lot more like even. It still is a little bit patchy in some areas, but it's definitely not as bad as this side. I think later on I'm going to try and do a whole different technique altogether. But I mean, yellows are hard. Just for funsies, I'm going to apply this one more time on the eyes. This is from my BoxyCharm. This is the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch in Soul. This is just to help reduce pores and stuff like that. And it is a part of your skincare routine, but it also can be used under the makeup as well. Before. Oh, this looks like last night, bitch. And it smells great. Just gonna dry off the skin here. Yes. Period, mama! Period! 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 Okay. So next I'm going to go into the foundation I cannot talk about yet, but I can definitely talk about it next month. I'm just testing it out, seeing how it looks and it wears, and I will get back to you on it later. I know I'm teasing you guys, and I know I could have totally used like a different foundation, but there's not really any interesting new foundations coming out besides this one. Oh, I can't wait to share with you guys what it is. It's like probably going to be the foundation of the year. It's so good, you guys. I know I'm giving you guys like blue balls right now, but trust me, when it comes out, you're gonna want to get it. So I'm just gonna conceal real quick. I don't have any new concealer to show you guys. Bitch, this mug. Oh my god, this foundation. Best foundation I've ever used, period. So next, to set the face, I'm gonna take these new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin loose or like pressed powders. I have been playing with this a little bit, but nothing too much to like give like a full idea of what it does. I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to stamp the face, really just to set that face. Ooh. Bitch. My skin looks like butter. I have dry ass man skin, and let me tell you something. My skin honestly hasn't looked this good in a while with just like the foundation and just everything. Like, my skin looks so good. Okay, so honestly, in this eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take the shade Explore right here, and I'm gonna use it to like bronze up the face. I know that sounds crazy, and use it to like bronze up the face. Yes, bitch. I'm telling you, like, Tarte palettes are multi-use, bitch. I'm also filming an Instagram video right now, so I'm just like... Okay, so for highlighter today, I'm going to go into the Anastasia pigments, the loose pigments. And I'm just going to go into the shade... this one, which is the shade Sand. I'm just going to like sprinkle it on the brush. Yeah, and then with this Huda Beauty spray, I'm just gonna spritz it. That smells like, we'll get into that. Okay, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute. It's textury as the fuck, but it's there. I'm gonna take the lightest shade in this Tarte palette, and I'm also going to kind of put it on top of that to give it like a little bit of extra oomph. Like that, period. And I'm gonna use the Tarte palette on my nose because I want just like a subtle nose highlight. The Tarte palette on the lips. the Tarte palette mixed with this shade right here. On the chin, just a little bit. I'll actually use my finger. Okay, so now that the face makeup is done, I'm now gonna go into this Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face setting powder, setting spray. I've heard a lot of negative reviews about this. I have sprayed this around my house just to smell it. It smells bad. It smells like the foundation on crack, and it's like really, it gives me like a really bad headache and it makes me kind of nauseated, but I'm gonna spray it on my face. Ow, 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 ow. It's like burning up. Ow, ow. Okay, wait. Ow. I don't know what the fuck it burned over here, but it burned the fuck out of my eyebrow. Why is every video I film, my face is burning in some capacity? I don't get it. I just don't get it. I'm going to take the Alyssa Edwards palette and go back into the under eye. And for the under eye, I'm just going to do this pink shadow. Just smoke out this pink shadow. Might even go with like this dark purple afterwards. But I'm going to start with Texas Made. Oh, that's pigmented as shit. Oh, that's pigmented. Oh, I stan. I stan! Oh, this eye look is so pretty. Okay, I zoomed you guys in a little bit. Just because you need to see this face. Like, this mug is over. It's over. It's over. I think I am gonna go into this BBDC shade. And just like on the lash line. Just on the lash line. Okay, we stan. We stan. We stand. So the next thing in my BoxyCharm is this Dominque Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. I have tried this before. I actually own this one, this exact shade already. This is, Dominque Cosmetics makes some amazing bomb lip glosses. But first, I'm going to line my lips with this Dirty Little Secret lip liner in the shade Rosy Posy. This looks like a really pretty shade to do your lips with. This is a good pencil. I've never heard of this brand, Dirty Little Secret. I like it. Now going into the Dominque Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Peach Tea. I love her glosses. They're so glossy. I feel like Dominque Cosmetics does not get enough attention. Hey, look! Okay, I did forget something though, real fast. I need to get my Fenty Beauty bronzer on. There's one product I completely forgot to use, which was the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Island Ting. I'm just going to take my brush and bronze the face. I could use some more contour. Ooh. This bronzer is really nice. I like it. I mean, I don't expect anything less from Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty always kills it with their products. I'm kind of shocked we ended here. This is a very good video. Finally, some products that are working and look nice. There's nothing crazy going on. Everything looks good. Foundation, base, makeup, everything looks really, really good on the skin right now. I think the eyeshadow palette is my favorite thing from this video. I love the loose pigments. Like everything I've tried, I really, really like. I know there wasn't that many hyped up products that I've tried in this video. Like there wasn't that many, to be honest, there wasn't that many products. I honestly just wanted to sit down and play with makeup because I haven't done that in a while. It's like new products in general. So I really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Thank you again, BoxyCharm, for sponsoring today's video. Again, guys, I'll have a link in the description box where you can check out BoxyCharm, and I will have an Instagram video of me demoing all of these products either today or tomorrow. So go to my Instagram, give that video a like, check it out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll have everything linked down below, everything listed down below, with a star next to my favorite products, which I think everything will have a star. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back either Wednesday or Friday with another video. Bye, guys.